Hi everyone, my name is Ibrahim, and I just want to run you through a feature I find interesting on Canva. It's been a while I've used Canva, and as you know, AI has taken over the street. So AI is being integrated to virtually all applications now, like all major applications. They are trying to upgrade to improve their efficiency by AI and to keep you, because if they don't do, new companies, new software devices, software tools will come out and take their customers. So everyone is trying to be proactive and be on top of their game. So I was talking with someone tonight and actually promised to, when I talked about using that Canva has a feature that can help you to draw and just draw and do things, sketch and do a lot of things. So I promised the person I was going to do a short video to show you just how you can do that. I have a premium Canva and a free version. So I'm using the free version to show you that you don't have to be on the pro version for you to use this feature. And one of the interesting things with this is that you know okay, let's go in and then I'll tell you one thing I find very interesting about this. So this is the homepage. Okay, first I was trying to do something here. So this is what I did. I'll take it back, I'll reverse, and then we get here. So here is your Canva dashboard, and then you can just try to create um, any design. Just try to create any design. Let's just say Facebook. Facebook, we can type maybe A4 or any template you want to use. Okay, let's say Facebook cover. So we have a blank cover, and I want to sketch. So one of the interesting things I said I noticed is I'm an author. I write children's books. So for people who are in the creative space, or you write books and you don't have huge funds to give illustrators to illustrate for you, and you just want to put something out there, this is a very good tool for you to use. You can use Canva now to do some basic graphical sketch, and it will look nice, as if you've given your work to a professional to do. Okay, anyway, AI is a professional. So where you do, these are your tools, your Canva tools. So you come to the apps, click on apps, and when you click on apps, the first thing you see here is a new feature. Yes, they are smart. They put the AI there for you so that it becomes the first thing you see. So you can use it to generate pictures, images, sketches as you deem fit. So there are other tools. So when you scroll down, you also see it here. You can draw. You can so here we want to show you what this AI tool can do. It's actually amazing. So here you have, when you click it, it takes you to the um, to the to the board where you have to type what you want. So you type in text, it generates the um, the image or sketch for you. So what did I ask it to do for me here? So I said sketch a boy and a girl amazed by the moon. So let's do it here. Let's just show you what it brings. So I sketch a boy and a girl amused, okay, amused by the moon. So you scroll down and then you can generate. So it gives you prompt also, just like it suggests. What do you want to do? Is it you want to do this, you want to do that? But you can always type your description here in text. So you go down, you create, generate, then Canva does the magic. The AI Canva has integrated does the magic. So it does the magic for you. You can see it's hard work transforming those images from your head. Now it is bringing me something. You can see so these are lovely images. So I can click here and then brings it here for me. Where is it? Please come here, come here, come here. So you can see I have it here. You can see these are lovely pictures, and you could generate hundreds of such. So if you don't like any of this, if you don't like any of this four, You can see, you can start, you can tell it to start again. It will start again. Oh, sorry. So we have to run it again. Sketch a boy and a girl amused by the moon. So we can ask it to generate, and it does the magic again, and it gives you something entirely different from this for you to choose from. You can see this is, you can see this is very, very brilliant. Just look at this. So for example, if you're writing a book and you want to illustrate a place where you have a little girl, a little boy who are amused by the moon. Look at this. This is brilliant. So this looks as if it's an artist that draws it for you. So you have another one here, another sketch. You can see these are different um, from the one it generates earlier. So these are very brilliant pictures. So for you who have been trying to write a book, it may not be a book. You might just trying to be to create an instructional material, maybe home lessons, homeschooling mom, homeschooling dad. You want to create some instructional material for your kids, or you are trying to design a proposal or a deck that has to do with children. It will not be children. You can ask it to do several things for you. So let's just sketch. I say a boy, sketch a boy riding a bicycle. So sketch a boy riding a bicycle. So the thing there is that while it is not perfect, yet may not give you the exact thing that you want, but it's something that you can, if you know how to play with words and what you prompt it with, it gives you incredible results. Look at this. This looks like someone actually sketched a boy. You can see, same as this, and same as this. So this is, it's good enough for you to, if you've been waiting to, you want to write children's book, and maybe if you could start with something like this before you, and you don't have huge funds to pay illustrators, you could start with something like this, and there are other tools, but at least you could do this on Canva and design your book layout and everything on Canva. And if it is slides, you're teaching kids, you want to put good slides like this, is very perfect. You could put your story here, and then you're good to go. So play around it, and then let me see, tell me how this works for you, and um, just drop a comment. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see if I have some more time to steal from my schedule to do some more videos for you. Thank you, and enjoy your day.